Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the amphoteric behavior of the amino acid, and now in this topic I am going to talk about the peptide linkage. So how basically the peptide linkage is linked with the proteins and what is the function of it. Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, now let us understand what is peptide linkage. So a peptide linkage is the amide linkage which is formed when two amino acid molecules combine by eliminating water molecule. So based on that, let me give you a particular reaction so that we could understand what is peptide linkage very easily. Suppose friends, if I'm talking about the amino acid, and that is what we can give a general formula for that. That is, I could give the general formula to this one, that is NH2CH, this is R1, to which C double bond O, OH group is attached. So this is nothing but the amino acid. And suppose if it is combining with another molecule of NH2 CH, this is R2, now C double bond O, OH. So whenever they combine with each other, obviously there will be, because of providing certain kind of condition, and so in that case basically we could find that is this OH along with that of one of the hydrogen, it will be eliminated in the form of water, and that is how basically we could get, that is NH2 CH R1 C double bond O NH, then again here that is CH R2 C double bond O OH. So here basically we can find an amide group. So in that case, suppose if we have to highlight that amide group, so now let me highlight this one. So this amide group is basically known as peptide linkage, and the main function of this is to combine this two amino acid, and that's it. So talking about the name of this one, so here basically a peptide linkage is what we have got over here, but this peptide linkage combines the two amino acid, and that's the reason this kind of the compound is basically known as dipeptide. So if we try to combine the another alpha amino acid, so in that case we could get, that is, two peptide linkage, and the compound or the molecule, it will be called as tripeptide. So basically protein is a polypeptide of the alpha amino acid, and that is what it is called as the polymer of the amino acid by the elimination of the water molecule. So here there is a elimination of water molecule, and this is what the peptide linkage is. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.